السلام عليكم. هذا المقطع الصوتي والفيديو الثاني بالنسبة لموضوع محاضرة اللارynx. وصلنا إلى الثايرويد cartilage. Thyroid cartilage is the largest cartilage of the laryngeal skeleton. It consists of two conjoined laminae. You can see this one, this part, هذا الجزء يصيحوا له الثايرويد lamina, and posteriorly it projected upward and downward as the superior horn and inferior horn. The inferior horn articulates below here with the cricoid cartilage at the cricothyroid joint. In the thyroid lamina we have an oblique line, this one on the external surface of the thyroid lamina. The oblique line bounded superiorly and inferiorly by a tubercle which is called superior thyroid tubercle and inferior thyroid tubercles. The two laminae meet anteriorly here and at the end of the apex of the V shape at what's called the laryngeal, forming what's called the laryngeal prominence, or as we said before, the Adam's apple. The superior border here of this prominence is called the superior thyroid notch. Also we have inferiorly, this is the inferior thyroid notch. About the thyroid angle, this angle is differ from male to female. In female it is larger, while in male it is narrow, so that it's more prominent in male especially. Here you can see in this view, this is the thyroid angle. These are the two laminae, this one and this one, and here the inferior horn, and this one is the superior horn, and this is the angle between the two lamina. The second cartilage of single cartilages of the thyroid of the larynx is the cricoid cartilage. The cricoid cartilage is this one here. This one is the foundation of the larynx. Signet ring like, يعني signet ring يشبه الخاتم مو الحلقة, and it is the only circular cartilage in the respiratory tract, because here in the tracheal rings and above we have incomplete circle, C shape like, while this one, the cricoid cartilage, is the only complete circle. The thyroid cartilage, which lies above, and the arytenoid cartilage articulate with the cricoid cartilage by a synovial joint, so that they are freely mobile on each other. It consists, the cricoid cartilage consists of arch and lamina, articular facets for arytenoid here, and articular facets for inferior horn of the thyroid cartilage, as we said before, this one. You can see here, this is another view of the cricoid cartilage. This part is called the lamina, this part, and this one is called the arch. The epiglottis, leaf shaped cartilage, this one, لسان المزمار بالعربي, leaf shaped cartilage. Below it is a cylinder forming what's called the stalk of the leaf attached to the midline of the thyroid cartilage here below the notch in its upper border. You can see this is the thyroid cartilage, this is the notch, superior thyroid notch, and here we have the attachment of the epiglottis. It is differ from other cartilages in the larynx that it is elastic cartilage, not hyaline cartilage. This view you can see here, this is the epiglottis. From the epiglottis to the root of the tongue you can see folds, many number of folds. In the midline we have the median glossoepiglottic fold, and here we have lateral glossoepiglottic fold. Between them we have a depression which is called the vallicula. Okay, here in the vallicula sometimes we may have entrapment of food particle which provoke a severe cough. أحيانا قطعة من الطعام تنحشر بهذا المكان، هاي الفاليكولا، هذا depression صاير هنا بين الروت of the tongue وبين الابيجلوتس إذا صارت هنا راح يصير عند الشخص bout of cough، يعني نوبة من السعال، لأنه هنا المنطقة supplied by cranial, one of the cranial nerves. We will discuss it later on. Arytenoid cartilage